Hey everyone, I've got some exciting news for all your adventure seekers out there. Road Hunters is organizing a Kenjhor Odisha ride for a total distance of approximately 1,200 kilometers. On day 1, we'll explore the breathtaking Sanaghagara waterfall and Badaghagara waterfalls, with a thrilling 20-kilometer hike up and down. Day 2 is packed with amazing sights like Bhimkund on your side, Siddhabinji Rock and Cave, Kenjhor Dam, and Ganasika covering around 240 kilometers. Day 3 takes us to Kiriburu, where we'll cover the stunning Murga Mahadev waterfall and temple with a distance of around 110 kilometers. Day 4 is all about Kiriburu Hilltop, Sunset Point, Jinkara waterfalls, and Meghahataburu iron, or mines, with a total distance of 135 kilometers. And on day 5, we'll return home with unforgettable memories. If you're up for this incredible adventure, DM me on Instagram at ask_chiku_ since 2001 or visit our Facebook page, Road Hunter.